You can make it right if the city night. What up, squad? What up, squad? Let's get this all ready. I need to go down and get some coffee as well. Right, get that there. Do 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 do. Nice. Okay, so magic keys I need to fix there because it's still not working. Right. Let's get this all up and running, guys. Instagram. We need Zoom. Hope everyone stayed okay yesterday. There was not much volume. So I hope everyone didn't take too many trades. For sure. Let's get this on here. Nice. Okay. Alrighty ho. So welcome to the London session. Let's get it all up and running. Let's get GJ open. Let's get FOREX Factory open. Hello. Morning. Amazing. So that's all on. Nice. And before this, good morning, everyone. Let's do a YouTube video. Right. Nice. Okay. Morning, everyone. Right, we are going to be doing the London live stream. I just need to do two things. Do a post. We are now live on YouTube. Make sure to come and join the fun. Let's get it. Morning. GJ buy. Ooh, GJ buy. Everyone's looking for GJ buys. Let's have a look. Oh wow, 4 a.m. closure. Damn. 4 a.m. closure. Wow. Okay, so there is a lot of movement here actually. Let's just get this off 1 second. Morning, Antonio. Right, wow. Okay, so you can see we actually... Morning. You can see we closed above right here, 4 a.m. and we've been running ever since. Siri, shut up, man. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri, shut the fuck up. Right, okay. So wow, how are we gonna get into these buys here? So let's just do our daily analysis, okay, right here. Wait until people start to come in. Hello. So the first thing that we need to do is do our horizontal lines. You can see we are starting to, really gain some traction with these buys over here. We've got a nice strong 4-hour candle before, okay. So this is looking good. So let's just get this. Right. Damn. So for people in Asian, that shit was fire. Right. And look at this, 4 hours closing basically above this zone right here. So really good for some buys right here. Let's just look left and look at some zones. Yes, the next zone we're coming up to is 151668 and filling up these wicks. But let's just do some support and resistances here. So you can see at this point we've closed above resistance. This is at the 6 a.m. candle. And then look at straight on. Yeah, we made some support at the 6:30 and then 6:45 and 7 o'clock candles start to come. This last 15-minute candle did close a bit bearish. Not bearish, a bit weak. But we will see for London Open if we can still continue. Let's look at this 30-minute candle here. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. We have just tapped this little minor resistance right here. But solid buys above this zone is going to be looking nice. Let's look at this hourly candle. Yeah, it's got 23 minutes left, so potentially we could get some buys at 8 o'clock open. I think for me, I mean, if this runs up straight away and exceeds the high of the previous 30-minute, that could be a good option, to be honest. But the thing is, your targets, if you're looking left, as I said, we had this zone, so you can see up here you have some rejection candles here, but this is the zone that we could play in, and if we do exceed these highs with increased volume, we can look for the next zone, which is like here. So we've got some nice little targets at that point, but yeah, I'm really gonna be waiting for either this 50-minute to give me kind of more confirmation we're going to go up. That last 50-minute candle closing like this suggests to me that it's losing a bit of momentum. So we just need to chill for a bit. Let's just check some news as well. So today, news, GBP at 9:30. Okay, that's not too bad. So we don't really have much news for our session, which is grand. But yeah, so look, this 30-minute candle has a lot of time, you know. It has a lot of time in the candle still. I mean, theoretically, if you wanted to get into this candle, you could. It's just making the lower wick right now, and then if this candle does, you know, make the lower wick here and then starts flipping and maybe exceeding, you could go in, or you could wait for this closure right here and then wait for the pullback at 8 o'clock and then enter. So that's what I'll be looking for, I think. But yeah, welcome everyone. Good morning. We're going to be having some nice GJ buys today, hopefully. Strong 4-hour bullish candle, very happy with that. Has some good targets. Let me just move this to here because I can see this resistance at this point here. But these are the zones. Good morning everyone. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Let's just do another chart right here. Antonio, is that what you're looking at on GJ? Can't really see.
Yeah, I'm looking at about the same thing, just that my resistance is a bit higher. I have resistance at 151.738. That's why I'm gonna be looking for my buy.
Ah, okay, yeah, fair. Yeah, that's a good point. Price could do this. Price could either, you know, sit back and chill and make a little support. Like it could do this. It could like come down, make support. At this point with a low wick, and then, you know, we could buy either on that candle or this candle right here, and then to continue on. So there's lots of different ways. Because it's already ran quite a lot, I'm kind of waiting for a little pullback, or wait for this hourly to close.
Yeah, like from same thing for me. I would want to see either pullback or just a continuation or straight push through.
Yeah, for sure. Yesterday it was shit. What's that emoji? Yeah, yesterday. Well, now you know. Bank holidays. Don't trade that shit. Don't trade it. Look at it. Oof. I did say before, don't trade GBP pairs. There'll be gas. I tried a gold sell actually yesterday, but shit didn't work. But it was a good option. But yeah, so I'm just wanting this to exceed this wick really, because, you know, this is the wick at the moment. We've already tapped it and now it's just chilling on it. But we've got a lot of time, so a lot of time to play around. Right, how the fuck do I get my magic keys on? Let's have a look. Good morning from the Dr. Dollar stream. Hello, hello. Morning, morning. Dr. Dollar, is he taking any trades yet? Let's have a look at Discord as well, guys. See if there's any charts. Let's make some bread. Let's get it. Let's have a look in here. So, oh wow, wow, wow. Get live. Welcome. Oh wow, we've got a lot of people coming in. Charts for the stream. Let's go, let's go. Big Mike in the building as usual. Let's get it. London discussion. Okay, lovely. So let's look at charts for the stream here. You can see some. Ooh, so Big Mike as usual is looking similar for me. 151,600, 4-hour resistance. He said. He's looking for buys above this zone. So 151,600. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's where I'm looking for as well. So very, very good. So putting your charts in here is the best thing you can do, because you can literally see. I've just done my chart works here. Come to look at Big Mike's, and this is exactly the same as mine. Like, and when you've got someone who does the exact same charts, it's really, really good for your mentality. It's really good for your confidence. So make sure to put your charts in there every morning before I start doing stuff. For sure. What the fuck? Oh, this is why. Fuck, I think magic keys is on this bitch. This is the exit. But yeah, we'll be waiting for the low wick to be formed as well. So we've got a lot of time, we're just chilling. We're just chilling here. I'm just fixing this. I've just moved to the funded talent one. Where is it? Okay, nice. Okay, might be able to work now. Alright, new chart window. Let me just try this again. 1 second. I'm just setting up magic keys, guys. And then I need to run down and get a coffee. God damn! Forgot about that shit today. I was like, bro, I need a coffee. So who got into these buys earlier on? I'm gonna check how you got into these buys earlier on. Let me just check this. Just trying to fuck about with these on-screen magic keys, boy. Antonio, how do you get the fucking... I'll have to sort this out later. Just trying to change my magic keys to the funded talent one. Literally don't know how to do it. I forgot how you do it. I think I have to like remap it again.
Oh, you're trying to change like your on-screen?
Yeah.
Like, are you using 2 different MetaTraders? Is that what?
Yeah.
Oh, then you gotta like restart your PC.
Yeah. Fuck. Okay, that's fine. I'll just won't use magic keys today. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I'll just have this order on here then. There we go. Nice. Okay, yeah. So we'll be looking for buys above 151,600. I'm gonna be putting a thing on here. 151,600. We do have some news later on, but it should be okay. It should be okay for news. Because it's later on in the session, which shouldn't be too bad. Let's make this bread. We'll see how current 30-minute closes, but it might be a 30-minute series play. Yeah, very, very true. We'll see. The reason why, oh, look at that, we just got a 50-minute bearish closure. Okay, so now we need to wait for support to form, which is gonna look something like this. Yeah, like I just drew before, like down maybe here, and then as price starts gaining support, coming back up with a strong bullish candle, I'm going to be entering on that candle maybe like this, either here or here, And that's what I'm going to be looking for. And it's going to be a clean ass move. Okay, we got a chart to look at. Lovely. If you guys send me some charts in the Discord or just the YouTube, I'll have a look at them. Let's have a look at this chart. And then I'm going to go through gold now. And all that good stuff. So let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Okay, GG. This is on the 30-minute time frame, okay? We're looking for buys above weekly new highs. Yeah, 151,600 level. And lovely. So you're waiting for closes above there. This is the thing. I'm trying to gauge of what I'm wanting. I don't really want to get in an impulse, but I think if you do get some strong momentum at 8 o'clock, I probably will take a buy stop, to be honest. That's what I'll probably do, but we'll see how this candle closes in 30 minutes time. I want to know the 30-minute, but amazing. So yeah, got your nice zones. We're broken above, and now we've got this little wick here. It's safer to wait until we exceed this wick, and then we can start to so you're waiting for the pullback now, then as you said, enter on the second candle bullish. Yes sir. So the 30-minute is still valid. I mean, if this candle just start coming up, that's good. We haven't exceeded the low of the previous 30-minute right now. So, yeah. I'm going to be looking for maybe buy stops at this point. Oh, shit. I see it. I see it. Thing is, getting into any trades now is a bit risky for 8 o'clock. I like waiting until the 8 o'clock candle opens because the 8 o'clock candle, if people don't know, is also the start of the new hourly. The new hourly needs to make a lower wick, so therefore you're expecting, if you're getting into a trade now, to take some drawdown. So, be careful with stuff like that. And apart from that, we're looking good. Oh, I need to take that sign off that YouTube, man. I can see my stop loss matters subscribe sign. What the fuck? 12 likes in the building, 38 viewers already. Wow, guys. But yeah, I'm really just hoping we can chill for 11 minutes because I'm not getting in a trade. The 7:45 to 8 o'clock candle for me is not a trading candle, because I said before, the low wick with the hourly. Yeah, we'll have to wait patiently. So let's have a look at gold. I know everyone's wanting me to do gold, so let's just do this. Okay. Oof. Let's have a look on the daily time frame over here. Let's look at the flips to give us a gauge of where we're at on the higher time frames. So here you can see we've got a bullish candle at the moment, quite a bullish one. We've got a bearish 4 hour. So two higher time frame candles contradicting themselves with price, which shows a bit of indecision. And you can see, we go down to the lower time frames here, we had a big resistance here, and it looks like we're going to be closing back in this resistance. So really strong resistance at 1817. Price actually did close above on the 30-minute. It actually did start exceeding, but it couldn't keep its momentum. That would have been a nice trade, actually. Fuck. If that made its little low wick and then did that, I probably would have been in there, to be honest. What time was that? Yeah, 7:30. Nice. But it looks like in 10 minutes time, guys, we are closing back in the zone. So where are we going to head, right? We're going to head back down to the nearest support. So, this is a zone. So let me just do this. This at the top is a zone. So let me just get my tool out. This is zone. We closed in this zone right here, and it couldn't keep up. Now we are going to be closing back in this zone. So what are we going to do? We are going to be filling this zone back up. We are going to be filling this zone back up. And how long has it got left to fill up? Yeah, 20 pips. Yeah, so 20 pips to fill up that zone is what I expect because of that deep rejection on the 1 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour as well. Damn. Sells below here would be quite nice, or preferably maybe sells below this level. But you can see, unfortunately for gold at the moment, the higher time frames are contradicting themselves. So So what I mean by that is the blue line and the yellow line, you know, the blue line is higher than the price right now and the yellow line is lower, so therefore it is contradicting. So I'll be looking for buys again if you do get a closure, if you try and get the closure again. But yeah, for me, sells below 18.13 possibly, but we do have some wicks here, so maybe safer 18.12. Wow, 42 views in the chat already, amazing stuff. So look at this, guys. This is where you need to be waiting patiently. So all I'm waiting for here, oh, we're going to be exceeding the low of the previous 30-minute candle here, okay? Your little screen in the upper left is blocking this symbol currency pair. Your little screen in the bottom. Your little screen in the upper left. Oh, 1 second. Oh shit, sorry. Damn. Oh damn. I'll move this. God damn, 1 second. I did not have this sorted this morning. God damn. There we go. And there you go, guys. There you go, guys. So yeah, it looks like GJ's starting to push down pretty hard here. So if you're in some GJ buys, people said before they're in GJ buys. Where did you get in? How are you going to get out of this trade if we do start closing? Because if we do close like this, if we do close back in the range, what are we going to be doing? So if this happens here, and we close back in the range, we are going to be filling this range back up. Okay, here. So if you're in some buys and you got in like possibly here, you need to have your stop loss or break even at this point. Will you please change your screen? Please make it look bigger. It looks too small. It's been doing it. It's what it is. I'll zoom in a bit more, but I think you should have your own screen on. This is just for it. But let's have a look here. I think it looks okay. Who else? Does people want me to change the screen, or people all good? Thank you for 18 likes already, guys. We are soon approaching 1,000 subscribers, which is when the giveaways happened. Do you trade indices? No, I do not trade indices. Just haven't been interested in them and haven't needed to trade them, to be honest. But I know a lot of people do, and it's a lot of fun. But yeah, I do not. I trade gold and GJ. That's what I've been taught to do. And yeah, so ooh, if this hourly candle closes in 6 minutes time like this, ooh, we are rejecting those highs at that point. We're rejecting those highs, but all time frames are bullish, so it's very, very contradicting trade to be in at this point. Ooh, so we can see we need to really, really close in this 2 hour time. 4 hour candle needs to close above for sure. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. As I said before, Magic Keys giveaway very, very soon. Very, very soon. Welcome Brian and Squirmy to the Discord today. Wow, 177 members now. We are filling up nicely. Hopefully this is just a pullback for the hourly to start pushing in the next 5 minutes, and then we can get some nice buys on here. But yeah, we're not getting into any buys yet because of these big wicks here. 42 viewers though on a Tuesday. Damn, people are ready to go for this week. They saw bank holiday like, bro, I need to go. Oh shit, why has I got water on my screen? Screen is fine, lovely. I thought it was. Maybe someone's just watching it on a tiny screen. But yeah, buys with here. Let's actually look at GU, guys, because I like looking at GU. Gives you, the option if you guys don't like GJ. I like showing you. You can look at other ones. It's pretty similar. So let's have a look at GU here, guys. Let's do the strict analysis on GU. Very, very easy. Very, very quick. We keep it simple here, keep it simple. You can see the daily is bullish, pretty strong bullish. The 4 hour is bullish, but what am I going to say? Someone tell me, Someone tell me, come on, quick fire. You should be seeing this instantly on my chart. What am I not liking at the moment?
Bottom wick.
No bottom wick, yes sir. No bottom wick here. No bottom wick on the 4 hour. So therefore buys are invalid because we know there is an 80% chance it's gonna make a bottom wick. So I want that probability on my side and not against me. So therefore for buys I won't be looking until we make a bottom wick. So same thing again, we closed above right here, started running off. We had resistance at this point right here. It's ran off and yeah, starting to come back now. Oh wow, a lot clean candles to the left really for this. Damn, I mean we have it. Closest one's probably here. Wow, these clean candles right here, nice. I'm in a trade right now on GJ. Do you recommend to close it because it looks dangerous now with that pullback? What position, what price did you get in? And yeah, I would I would have it at stop loss or break even. If you're in some drawdown, I'd probably take it off as well because this hourly's pulling down. In 2 minutes time, if you close back in this range here, it isn't going to look good for buys, I'm not going to lie. You'll have to wait another 50 minutes to get a close above again for potential buys. So what price do you get in? Wow, amazing. 25 likes already in the stream. We've broken down all the pairs ready to go for London Open in 3 minutes time. And then after that, I'm going to be quickly going to get a coffee because I really want one. Right, yeah, let's have a see if there's more charts in here. Yeah, if you guys are in the Discord, make sure you put your charts in here. I analyze every single one of them. Big Mike is the OG on this. He does really, really good charts. Very, very happy with his work. But yeah, we'll see 2 minutes time where this closes. Let's see gold right now. Ooh, as I said, see, I did say, guys, I said this candle is going to start filling up this range, and it basically has filled up this range. So there was a little idea for you guys. Close back in the range, therefore we should fall. And it fell like 13 pips, wow. I entered at 151.551. Ooh, shit, okay. Yeah. This is a hard one. If I say yeah and then it comes back up, you're going to be annoyed with me. I don't know, do what you want to do. To be honest with you, I would actually just put it in the range. Because if we do start coming back in the range, then we are rejecting it fully. But this could start rinsing back up because it's still out of this zone. So I'd put it like maybe under this candle, under the hourly. But yeah, it doesn't look the best, to be honest. 551, yeah, you should have waited until we close above or we get the push and exceed the weekly high. Is that the weekly high? Yeah, the weekly high. And exceeds the previous weekly high as well. Wow, okay. This is pretty big. But yeah, we'll see where this closes right here. Let's see the hourly closure. Really want to look at the hourly closure at this point. But yeah, been really busy this week getting up the mentorship ready. I got some cool promo on it as well. But yeah, the mentorship's going to be coming soon, very, very soon. I think in 2 weeks' time. And it's going to be for people who are serious about it. I want a nice group of people. I don't want too many people in it, and it's going to be hardcore. Like it's going to be a lot of stuff doing. 1 hour solo play maybe. We'll have to see. For me, I'm going to be waiting for the next 50-minute candle to give me some kind of more option. I won't be doing any impulses, especially if the hourly goes bearish. For me, I'm not going to be rushing into any buys at all, really. Wow, 50 viewers already in the stream. Look at this. So we've got the doji candle, shows indecision, shows, you know, inconsistency. So you're gonna have to wait here. So if you get into any trades now, this will be doing it on, emotions. You have to wait to give you more kind of thing. Yeah, it looks very bad. I just closed with a loss, but wanting for that breakout on London Open. Hope I'll make it back. No, that is not the attitude. That is not the attitude. You can't say hope I'll make that back. If you hope and you'll make that back, you're gonna have a skewed view of the charts and gonna try and maybe enter trades where there isn't any, just to try and make it up. You had your stop loss. You took the loss. You can't make it back. What would the mentorship cost? 49.99, I think I've done it. Pounds. It's about the same as most people's. But okay, manage risk. GJ and gold looking similar on the 5-minute. Yes, this hourly candle really put me off over here. I'm pretty sure it'll put off Antonio as well. Do you feel that?
Yeah, just slightly, because the zones to the left are kind of like, because I'm looking at a potential 30-minute celery play, but then the zones to the left aren't like, I see resistance, so I'm staying away.
Yeah, I'll be looking, to be honest, if we do pass 600, I will be looking for buy stops, because I could have a 10 pip stop quite nicely in the other zone. So yeah, we'll have to see though, but for me, I'm not rushing into any buys at this point. Can we take a sell on gold after the previous 30-minute wick break? Ooh, look at that 30-minute. Okay, so, you know, what we could look at for gold here, as long as we don't pass, so let me just zoom in here. As long as we don't exceed the previous high right here, and we start flipping this candle, we have closed below this mini support right here. If we do continue down where our targets, let me just pull this up a bit more. We've got a 10 pips, not 2. It's a bit small of a range for me, but people looking for gold sells at this point. If this candle does flip over here, you could be good for some sells right here. That would be quite nice. So what I'm showing you guys is this. So it makes this top wick, it comes back, it flips, and then does this clean candle here. Stop loss would be the high it's just been making, and then obviously runners could do this and fill up to this next zone over here. So potential sells could be quite nice. The only issue I don't really like with gold is what? Someone tell me why I don't like gold. Just from looking at this in the chat. Why don't I like gold sells? I'll try and point to it so you guys give some help. Someone in the chat tell me, I'm waiting. It's pretty obvious. We do this every single day. We should know exactly. Above the daily flip. Yep, so the daily is bullish. The daily is very, very bullish. And you know, look how far that is. You know, it's 60 pips above bullish. So if people are new here, guys, this yellow line is the daily flip. So you look here. So if price comes back down to this yellow line, it's going to turn this kind of red and it's going to turn bearish. I like keeping on the higher time frame bias, and the daily is strong bullish. Okay, at this point, yes, the 4 hour is bearish, but you can see we had a solid 4 hour close before bullish. This could stop wicking back up and flicking up. So for me, I like keeping at least the 4 hour and the daily on the same time frame, unless it's a really, really good entry. But for me, there will be no sells at this point. But for people who don't really care about stuff like that, if this candle does flip here and exceed these lows, it would be nice for some sells with clean candles coming to the left, for sure. So let's have a look at GJ over here. Ooh, So if you do close back in this range over here, we are flipping the 4 hour right now. So, you know, this is why I like having these lines, guys. So if you guys are new here, look, these lines, the 4 hour and the daily flip, I knew when we passed there that the 4 hour was flipping without even being on the 4 hour time frame. And obviously that shows deep rejection for the continued buys. You can see here, we have solid rejection over here, solid rejection here. So in this candle needs to push through this zone. It's really struggling with the zone. But if we do start exceeding 151,600, we're going to be good for some nice buys for sure. And yeah, that's what I'll be looking for, guys. Oh, I got an itchy nose, man. Wow, 52 viewers, mate. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. We're here every single weekday, for sure. Oh, yeah. Wow. So GJ for sells. Ooh, sells will be interesting. I may look for sells if we do get another 30-minute closure in this zone, because if we do close back in the zone over here, we'll be filling the zone back up. Wow. That's what I'll be looking for.
What do you think about the daily still being bullish though?
Yeah, that's what I did think. I am thinking that as well. I don't know. We'll see how strong the candle closes. Like I'm wanting like pretty strong 30-minute closures. Back in the zone. So let's look here. I like how this hourly is closed like this. But yeah, we've got a lot of time really. 23 minutes for this 30-minute to close. We'll be very, very good. Looks like price created a high, possible retest to push up. So yeah, so there's lots of things, you know, we can't guess the market, okay guys. So I think a lot of people is thinking like, you know, oh look guys, it's making support here, it's making support, and then look this candle, so I'm gonna buy right here, and then this candle's gonna fucking do this, and then I'm gonna, you know, make loads of money. It's like, well yeah, that could be an option. Price could also do this, and you know, you probably don't think this because you're thinking on emotions and trying to get these nice buys, which everyone's trying to do. But price could, you know, do this. You take a buy in here, it moves up, you're like, yes, profit, and then it goes VOOMF. So you need to be careful and wait for candles to give you the confirmation. So what you do is wait for this closure in this zone. If this candle comes back up and then starts flipping, you know you're pretty much goosed. What you should do for buys is, instead of this, you need to wait for this candle to close like this. You need to also wait for the next candle to create support back in this new zone. And then you can start looking for buys when this low wick is formed here to continue up. When we close above, another buy option could be here as well. And yeah, that's what you should do. So very, very delicate, but you need to be patient with it. Not with support forming. But it's still above daily flip for GJ. Why you look for a sell? Mainly for that, I've seen it so many times. If we do close back in a range, so if this candle closed solidly back in this range, you can see there's a big range here. We will fill this range back up for sure. So that's kind of why I've just known, I've seen that a lot. So yeah. Wow, that rejection on gold. Damn. Look at that big rejection, the hourly time frame. Like really respecting this level. So 1817 is going to be a very key level today. If we do start breaking it again, it's going to be looking good. If you guys haven't followed my Instagram yet, make sure to follow it. It's at Stop Loss Maz, and my Discord as well. All links are in my bio. I think my Instagram's in there. Actually, it might not be. You know, fuck. I may add that in. For people who actually has found me from Instagram. Not Instagram. YouTube. Let me just edit this. Oh no, I do have my Instagram in it. Yeah, okay, fine. Wow, how many people have got on Zoom now? 3 people, lovely. So yeah, so with the mentorship and stuff, you will be in the Zoom with Antonio and all the boys. I'm also going to be doing an NY session once or twice every single week, or once or twice to 3 times every week. And then I'll be doing classes, so webinars. I've got webinars all sorted for the Telegram because I've got so much value I want to give to these webinars, with psychology mainly, and a lot of just chart analysis. And then I'll do the weekly forecast. We'll be doing NY and London signals as well. So it's gonna be fun for people who are serious about it.
It's all in one price.
Yes, sir.
Jeez,
Yes. Yeah, bro, I'm going for it.
Yeah, let's get it. It's like, what'd you say, $49.99?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's like what, $1.50 a day?
Yep, $1.50 a day.
Yeah,
Not bad at all. And to be honest, I mean, the people who sign up at the start are gonna get that shit cheap because it will go up eventually. It depends with demand, but if I get a lot of demand, I will start putting it up for sure. And I am, to be fair, Instagram has been for some reason at the moment. People are like, "Oh, bro, can I I need some help. Like, I want you to teach me and shit. I'm like, okay, fine. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. But yeah, so we're just waiting for support to form here. Really, really easy day to day, just chilling. Ooh, GU had a strong 30-minute closure. Let's have a look. Yeah, GU need to wait for support as well, and gold over here. We're waiting to see how gold reacts. If we do get a closure above 1817 again, the continued bias could be good. How many trades you take in a week? Oh, so it's normally about, I'd say about 8 or 7. 7 or 8. Sometimes 10. Sometimes less. It just depends. It completely depends. Could form head and shoulders on gold in the 15-minute. Could do, but you know, all you're really saying there is head and shoulders. You're expecting this to happen. So there's the shoulder. There's the head. There's the shoulder, but this shoulder could react on support here and come back up. It could then also drop down like you want it to do, like this, and then continue down like this. So there's lots of different outcomes with head and shoulders. Try not to guess where it's going and just wait for candle closures to give you the way it's going to close. So waiting here in 2 minutes time to see where it gets closure. If you do get this closure above this zone on support, that's going to be good. It's going to be good for some buys. I'm going to go and quickly run and get a coffee, but I'll see you in 2 minutes. I'm going to run down. How far do you think GJ can go if close in range? Well, I can fill this range back up. So look, just like this, what this candle did over here. Look, candle came up, closed above, closed back in the range over here, and then we filled the whole range up. So you can see from like here to here, yeah, like 20 pips. So not too bad at all, guys. So yeah, I'll be 2 seconds. I'm just gonna run and get a coffee. But yeah, as I said here, we are waiting for this candle closure. If we get a closure strong in here, maybe on the 30-minute, be more of a confirmation. But we'll wait until see if we get some support as well, because all time frames are quite bullish on the daily. But yeah, look at this 4 hour though. For struggling with this zone over here. But yeah, be 2 minutes, guys. Just get a coffee. brew I've ever made. Fuck. Damn, son. That was a quick brew, goddamn. Wow, still 50 people watching, man. I used, like 2 weeks ago, I was like, bro, 50 people, welcome, welcome. It's mad how things grow, bro, I'm telling you. Fuck. Right. So let's have a look. 15-minute. Ooh. Closed right on support over here. So we're going to be seeing in the next couple minutes, if not in the next couple 10, 20 minutes, where this 30-minute candle closes. And where this 50-minute candle closes as well. But you can see price action here on the hourly. Not the best. It's not the best. Ooh, wow, look at that candle close. But to be honest, the hourly does put you off a lot. So candle closing above 1817 again could be a good idea, but we'll have to wait at that point. There's no point getting in early here because you are in this range over here. You can see the range you're in. You're hoping price is going to break up here, not confirming. So there's a thing between hoping and confirming. If you get the candle close above, like this one over here, then it's going to push in this next zone. Obviously, it didn't close in, but you know you still would have got 20 pips there, or 10 pips. So instead of guessing where price is going, just wait until you get a closure, and then you know it's going to go there. Okay, you know 80% of the time or whatever. 151.40 support on 5-minute below short. What the fuck? 1 sec. 151.40 support on 5-minute. Yeah, below short. I mean, you could take a short if you do exceed here, but it'll be a 5-minute play, which is a very, very low time frame for that. I think now we need to really wait for this 30-minute candle because it gives you more of an indication of where we're going. But guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like the stream as well. Get them likes up, guys, because it really helps grow the channel. You know, this week we've had 50 viewers. 2 weeks ago I was bloody raving at 50 viewers because I'm like, bro, every day is 50 viewers now. It's mad, amazing, guys. But yeah, and GU is just chilling. I'm not really looking at GU today. It's not really the best. Remember, we do have news at 9:30. Oh, thank you, Ruben, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, Ruben. So yeah, I'm really waiting for these candle closures. But yeah, we do have a bit of news at 9:30, but it isn't the most dangerous news, I'd say. Oh shit! Look at this candle. Hello. Here you go. This is why you have to wait patiently. There's no point guessing in this zone if we're going to be closing. We didn't close back in the zone, therefore we could be on support here, making support to then continue back up. Don't guess where it's going. Plan with the closures when it's going. So we'll see in this 10 minutes time where we close on this 30-minute time frame. But solid. Hope you guys haven't taken any trades. I think there's been any. Do people take any trades before? Oh, NY trades. Oh wow, this is United FOREX Germany. He was going to show me his trade. Okay, he's using some gold sells here. Oh damn, he got into 100 pip sells. Jeez. Price of push resistance, which was led already during London session at NY Open. So is this at 1 AM? Is this at 1 PM, like I said, 1:30, where the volume comes in? Entered the cells after the NY Open closed. Okay. Price approach resistance, which was held during we were printing lower highs. I hope these candles didn't wick you out, because they might have wicked me out. But amazing. So it's an amazing trade. So TP1 10 pips closed 8%, another 50%. And then full at 80 pips. Wow, amazing. Cracking trade there. Use the resistance to then. So exactly another example of zones. So like if you close back in the zone here or reject the zone over here, it'll be coming back down to fill this zone up. And then when you get closer below this zone, which is that one, we're coming back down to fill this zone. Clean candles here. So very easy trade at that point. except those 2 wicks there would have been a bit scary. Wow, filling up nicely here. Here we go, here we go. So plans for the day, we've got slime water. Aware of the zone to the left, okay. But with the volume coming in and with a clean 30-minute candle close, might look for buys. Okay. I'll be looking for buys maybe when you start closing above here again. For sure. But that strong bearish candle there does show quite a lot of rejection. So for gold, I don't think it's the best option for gold, to be honest. I'll just like your chart. Entered pre-London though, got stopped out of break even. Oh, Tian, can you send me your chart? I'll have a look at that. That's the same one. Oh, we got another one today. So this is gold. So gold is actually in a nice pattern here. Nice, not pattern, a nice descending thing here. Let's look at the 1815, 30 minutes solid closure. Yeah, I mean, I don't try and with your charts, try and add some description of what you're looking for. Are you looking for buys here? Are you looking for sells? You know, when you exceed these lows, you're going to be looking at these sells. You know, try and give me a bit more in the charts, because look here, look, buys above, sells below, so that's what he's looking at. Try and give me some indication of what you're looking for here. But lovely, I like this the range breakout, nice. Please check. What do you mean, please check? Is there something? Entered pre-London though, got stopped out at break even. Oh, look at this solid candle. Oh, we're flipping. Oh shit. Oh snap. So I'll be waiting for 7 minutes time for this candle to close over here to give us more confirmation. If we do get a solid closure in this zone, what I'm going to be waiting for is the top, the closure right here. Then the next candle, I want it to wick up. This will stop me from getting faked out, because if we do stop pushing back up here, I never enter. But if we do start coming back up here, taps this zone, if we do start flipping the candle here, then I actually will take that sell at that point. Even though the daily is still bullish, I think if you do close back in the zones, I always know. And also we're flipping the 4 hour, so I'm quite happy to take that over there. So you can see sometimes I do change the biggest rules, not the biggest rules, one of my rules when I know candles are closing back in different ranges, because I know they are quite clean candles. Good morning. I'm thinking of doing the Fun and Talent challenge. Do you know if the spreads are too high? No, the spreads are good. Spreads are amazing. Yeah, bro. The spreads are good. Spreads are like 1 pips, aren't they? 1 pip.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Spreads are really, really good. So look, we're exceeding the low here. This could be a good entry for sells, but for me, I'm going to wait for the closure. At that point, so the spreads now are bad. Ooh. And for me, they're not.
No, they're not bad. I know certain spreads, if you have a challenge account compared to, because I'm looking at the funded account right now. Spreads are good for me. Yeah, I know with the demo account, you have even better spreads.
Yeah, for sure. So that was a nice entry on GJ there that I looked at, but I'm waiting for the statement to closure right here. Solid candle going to be closing here. But yeah, entering there, you'd be up 3 pips, nothing much. We can chill here, but if we do close back in this range, I'm going to be taking some sells for sure.
I think the only thing keeping me out of this range is the daily.
Yeah, facts. I just know that this is a big resistance and we're really, really respecting it.
No, yeah.
And that 4 hour
No,
flipping.
I agree 100% with your move.
Yeah.
I would be taking it, but that's the only thing holding me back.
Yeah, facts. Wow, 37 likes in the chat, amazing. If we get that 40 likes, 40 likes, that'll be amazing. Puts it on the recommended. I think the more likes you get, I think the more it puts you on the recommended, and that helps me out a lot. Helps me out a ton. So yeah, 4 minutes time you're gonna get a closure. Bearish dollar should be taken into consideration the GBP pairs. Not really. We're trading GJ, so we are looking at the pound yen. The yen is well, the yen is open, but it closes pretty soon. And GBP is just opened, so US dollar doesn't matter for this. Antonio, can you change your mic? Yeah, I do think it is quite quiet. That's a good point, Grant.
Oh, you want me to push it? Alright, good. Let me see.
Yeah, someone said when Antonio speaks, he can't be heard on YouTube. It sounds like he's speaking from another room.
Is it better now?
Yeah, I think that's better now, bro. Lovely. Wow, 39 likes, amazing. So let's have a look here. Here's my break even. Looking back, I just about hit 10 pips and could have closed partials. Glad I went to break even. Amazing. At least you had a break even trade. A break even trade is always better than a red trade, so don't worry. But yeah, closing partials at 10 pips. So yeah, the reason why we pick 10 pips is specifically because we can see that a lot of movements happen and they do hit just 10 pips and then they start maybe retracing. So that's kind of why we do take the 10 pips. So let's have a look here. We're looking at GJ on the 15-minute time frame over here. The 1 hour 30-minute broke above a 4 hour candle closed above previous. 15-minute created support over here. Break at the 15-minute high. Okay, break at the 15-minute right here. Entered. Amazing, amazing. So break at the 15-minute. I like that entry, but I think it could be a little bit better. So what I'll show you here. So you entered on the break of the high. Actually, to be fair, that's still a good one. That's still a good. The only reason why I may have not liked it is because of these wicks here. Like here. Shows that, you know, this is quite a tricky area. A better one, and a more safer entry would have been when this candle closed, wait for this one's lower wick and then flip, so it would have been entry there. But still very, very good. So wait for the support to form, which happened right here, exceeds the high and you're in a buy, and you just tapped 10 pips. Amazing. But then it did hit your break even. So now you know, now you're starting to know here. And this is what I learned quite quickly on when I started journaling. Look at this candle. 15-minute candle over here. Okay. It closed bearish. Okay. When this closes bearish, what you should possibly do is either take positions off in profit. Because, you know, if you got in here, you still could have taken off 4 pips or something. Or you have it on the low of the candle. Because, you know, bearish structure happens when it makes lower lows and, you know, closes bearish and makes lower highs. Became too loud without Antonio made an adjustment. Oh shit, okay. It's because they're on the same thing. One sec. Fuck off. Oh shit, I'm still drawing. 1 second, guys. Why can't I get this off the fucking screen? Holy shit. Oh my god, get off. There we go. I can turn this bitch down. There we go. That should be a lot quiet and Antonio will still be loud. Nice. But yeah, as I said there, you know, if a candle closes in the 15-minute there, take some positions off, you know. If it's closing in the wrong direction, you know, always take them off because it's very, very likely it's not going to work, I'm telling you. Music is high, yeah. Don't worry, I've sorted it now. It should be okay. Don't you worry, I got you, boys and girls. But yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed or liked the stream, make sure to like the stream. Give it a big thumbs up. We do chart analysis basically every single day. Let's look at this candle closure over here. Okay. We've got this 30-minute closure, okay. Ooh, this 15-minute for me is not closing anything solid for some sells. I want solid candles, and this kind of suggests to me that it actually is kind of respecting this high, so I am staying out of any sells at this point. Look at this. It came all the way down, and it's like, nope, I kind of like this zone. Hello. And this is why we say, you know, higher time frames always prevail. Yeah, this 30-minute didn't close solidly for me back in the zone here. I want solid candles, so yeah, for me there is no sells at this point. For me, ask Antonio to speak if you can. Okay, Antonio, you speak.
You guys can hear me? It's good. It's good. It's good.
Yeah, maybe a bit louder. How do I do that?
I think it might be on my side. Let me see. The the volume's almost all the way up. Is it good now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you guys hear
Yeah, I
me?
know on Zoom it's probably loud.
Yeah, it's good shit. Yeah, much better. Said good stuff.
All right, bet.
What time frame do you trade? So I take my trades on the 15-minute and the 30-minute time frames normally, but I use all time frames to give me my analysis. Yes, I do all time frames. Yes, I use all time frames. Gives me a bigger indication. I was looking for cells over here, but this candle closure here has got a very small body which shows indecision, and I'm gonna stay out of that. Let's have a look at gold over here. We still coming up? Nah, gold's in this range. You can see where the range is. So we're chilling on gold, but later on I think gold is gonna be nice for some buys still, I think. We'll have to see if we start exceeding these highs again for sure. Same with GBP USD. It has made, you could say it's made a little support, but actually this is a doji candle. Very hard to get a trade in at that point. But for me, I am waiting for this clear setup. I'm waiting for a candle to do this. Wait for its lower wick, and then that is what I'm waiting for. That is what I'm waiting for.
Facts. Same thing here.
Yeah, and I'll probably enter on that 15-minute, make it lower and then exceeding the high for sure. That's what I'll be looking for. So very easy. I already got the plan. So like I'm basically you need to be able to see exactly what you're looking for. So like plan it in your head, plan it in your like what you basically plan in every single candle, and that's what I'm looking for. And then when it comes, you can just easy enter because you've already planned it for the past hour, and it's not risk. Not taking the trader's statement close like Jake Paul's hairline. What indicators do you use, or just candles? Just candles, no indicators. I don't need any indicators. You just need support and resistance lines, and yeah, price action. Very easy, very simple way of trading. Keeps it easy, and basically, all these indicators, it just people are trying to do it to make it look like you're some kind of rocket scientist and some kind of clever person, but in the end, you're really just the same as everyone else. Like I could have this chart on right now. I do this all the time, but it's quite funny. I like doing it. So like, look, I could have these on. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, fuck. So I've got this on. I've got fib retracement at this point over here. Yeah, look, buy. It's looking good, but I think I need a bit more on. Let me get some strategy, Does that make me look cooler and better? Does that make me look, a better trader?
You better get a McLaren.
Yes, sir. I'll get this fucking shit off. But I think people do that. I think people, when they're looking for like mentors and shit, they're like, oh bro, you use like any of this stuff. It's like, no, just use support and resistance. I don't want to make it confusing. It doesn't make any sense. If those things actually work like properly, people would be very rich, and
Yeah, facts. I just think the Fibonacci is literally the exact same thing. You're just using a tool to try to tell you where support and resistance is.
Yeah.
And you can just visually see it.
Yeah, exactly. And what I thought with fibs, like when I start like just fucked about with them, is like you just do them to your bias. Like you just move it to, like, if it's not like exactly on like one of the fucking cool numbers, you just make it so it is.
Yeah. And it's just like there's too many questions unanswered.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, so we're looking good here, guys.
Yeah.
Fibonacci has to be the most used tool on TradingView. I doubt it. I think the most used tool is probably this. Wow, so we're making some solid support over here, guys. Damn. So just wait for this candle to closure. Here's my plan for possible re-entries for GJ buys. Okay, let's have a look here. Buys 30-minute solid close above 600, better range, higher time frame is bullish. Possible sells below, break the 30-minute close below. Limit range won't take sells. Higher time frame is bullish. No trade range in this little zone. Yeah, that's great. I don't know what I think, you know, if we do get this solid closure here at this point, so in 15 minutes time, in 8 minutes time, if we do get a solid close like this, I'll wait for the low wick, and I may get in early, but yeah, I might wait until we break 600. We'll see at this time. Wow, 61 viewers, amazing, guys. GU and GJ have 81% correlation. Actually, it's on my FX book. That is because you are on the GBP London Open. They have similar, but I still wouldn't buy GJ whilst you're buying GU, because GU can be very, very choppy sometimes. But don't listen to me. Who am I? So yeah, wait for this candle. Oof, God, this is gonna be nice. 7 minutes time if you get this closure. Just this, the last hourlies annoyed me a lot. It's kind of screwed me up, to be honest. But we've exceeded the low of the previous already, so it's a bit tricky at the moment. Because the hourly's so ass and we have exceeded the low, I may also wait for a closure above 600. For sure. So yeah, in 22 minutes time we're looking for the half an hour closure. I'm wanting for gold to close above 1817 at that point to then start fill up this wick. This would be the first TP, and then to continue, I don't know why I've put it here. That'll be here. You can see we do have resistance at this point. This actually correlates with here, so we can see at this point we've got resistances here. It's correlated with this. So if you did take a buy here before London Open, you should have taken profits here specifically because of this resistance over here. So even though this is a rejection, you should have already got your trades out at that point. If you're new to stream here, guys, make sure to start chatting in the chat. We very, very, you know, nice here, good community. Make sure to ask questions, all the questions you would like. I like answering the questions for sure. Let's see how this hourly close here is. Hourly close bearish as well. Oof. Euro news. Ooh, that was a 745. Let me reload this. Ooh, fuck. Let's look at EJ. That's not good. That's not good. That French consumer spending -2%. Ooh, are they still in the lockdown? I don't even know. Let's have a look here. I don't think that would have helped. And France is one of the biggest countries in the euro. When did this come out? 745. Yeah, it's had a pull down. Not that big though. What were they expecting? They were expecting 0.1 though. So fuck. It's a bit of an oof. Oh, I can see GJ flipping. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Nah, I'm gonna wait a bit more. It's still not in that zone specifically for me. I want a bit of a closure again. Nah, France is chill. I mean, gold buys right now, looking like support was made. Okay, gold buys. Putting a buy stopper on 151605 and breakout sounds good for me. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. And then just manage your stop loss as it is. There's no lockdown. Yeah, there's no lockdown, but the consumer spending is down 2%. Ooh. You think when the lockdown goes and shit, you start spending a bit more, right? $45 likes in the chat, guys. If you haven't liked the chat, guys, make sure to like it. Not the chat, the stream. Make sure you like the stream for sure. Let's have a look. GU. So you're in a. Sue said they're in a gold buy. Where is your entry? Because if I was in a gold buy and I was in an entry, I mean, I'd have my stop loss at least 18-14. I wouldn't want it to come back to that zone, to be honest. So it looks like, yeah, GJ is really struggling to gain some support over here. So how could we have caught these moves before if I started the stream a bit earlier? Let's have a look. So 6:30, 7 o'clock, 6:45 is probably the entry right here. 6:45, stop loss below, so 5 pips stop for a nearly 90 pip. Oh, that's the trade that you got into, Jayan. Just about hit 10 pips and then went phew. But for Asian session, damn, I mean that 4 AM closure there was pretty nice. So 3 minutes time, we'll see where this 15-minute candle closes at this point. We'll see. 1816 on the 50-minute is when I took it. 1816. Oh shit! I just fucking spilled my coffee, motherfucker. 1 second. Oh no! You go get me a towel and set. God damn. Just completely forgot it was there. Oh, fuck. Now my room stinks of coffee. Holy shit. Now my room stinks of coffee, great. Yeah, it hit 10.7 pips to 15592. Was going to close partial at 600. Oh well, it's all good. It's all good. Sometimes those things happen. Oh, my mentorship promo's finished on Fiverr. Cool. Check that out. Guy did a sick job. To be fair, it was pretty sick. So yeah, buys above. So we've got a minute 30 time for this candle to close over here. We'll see what we can get. It's just got 45 minutes to the stream, so we've still got a lot of time to give us some potentials over here. But this hourly's got 60 minutes time, so maybe waiting for the hourly is going to give you a lot more. Maybe 9 AM volume. We'll push it out a bit, hopefully. Let's have a look here. So, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing YouTube videos this week, but I need to have some. I need to have, what's it called? Some kind of examples of what people want for YouTube videos. GJ is the cause of that coffee drop, bro. That coffee drop was shit was scary, bro. I was like, bruh. I keep that coffee drop away from my PC though, bro. I'm like, no. I keep the coffee away because I've hit a couple of glasses off here. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I love the dedication from you boys in Zoom as well, guys.
Yes, sir.
A lot of people. So when I started the Zoom thing, I just put on Instagram, "Oh, who wants to come on?" Like, and I got like 30 people asking, like, "Oh, me," and then I had like 20 of them, and like fucking 18 of them or 17 of them don't even turn up. So I'm like, bro, don't fucking ask if you don't want to come on. So cheers for that, guys.
That's what we do.
Yes, sir. Oh,
full-time traders.
Exceeding the lows here. Ooh. Flip the 30 minutes. Oh, I'm so tempted to get into sell, but I can't yet. I can't really. Still playing on that side, that zone here. Did you take a look at GG Bank Holiday? Those who traded it definitely got fleeced. Yes, they are. I did the stream actually. I did a gold sell. But I looked at GG and it was chalked. How did you get into Zoom? Well, at the moment there is no way, but on the mentorship there will be a way. The mentorship, everyone has access to the Zoom. I basically want to implement that so you obviously people who have paid can ask me questions on the stream live, exactly what they're wanting, and ask as many questions as possible. Because I think people, I mean obviously Antonio and a couple of the guys who joined the Zoom, I'm gonna keep them in because they're OGs. But I feel if people actually paying and actually serious about it, they'll ask me more questions and be a bit more vocal, which is what I want.
Yeah, exactly. So a lot of times you find that like people that like us ourselves, we're full-time traders. People that aren't full-time traders will come to just sit and don't really utilize the tool to what it really is.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's only right to to charge for your time and for your value.
Yeah, it's very true. Ooh, these sells for me are looking pretty juicy, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this hourly. 30 minutes high, it's got 13 minutes left. Ooh, I may take this sell, I'm not gonna lie. Exceeding the low of the previous, right here. I may wait. We're coming towards the end of this hourly candle over here, so waiting for this hourly may be a better confirmation, because this hourly hasn't closed back in this range yet. So for me, I'm going to be waiting for this hourly closure, I think. Even though if this does flip, this is going to be a good option. But for me, I'm going to wait, because closer towards, I always say, stay away from trades before, the hourly closes. If it's 8:45 or whatever 45 to 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, try and stay out of a trade, even though this trade for me is perfect. But it's just because the hourly is just starting to close and stuff like that. But this is gonna be nice now. So for me here, I would have entered on the 30-minute time frame at this point with the flip. Stop loss 8 pips. I'm gonna be targeting all the way down here. Oh, to be honest, I might just enter. I'm not gonna lie. Nah, I need to wait for this hourly close. Fuck. I'll wait 10 more minutes. GJ sells may struggle at the 50-minute support at 400. Yeah, very, very true. That's a good point. This is why I'm kind of waiting for more of a solid candle closure at this point. Because if you look over here, we get some big candles. I'm kind of wanting that. And it looks like on the way down we get big wicks as well. So there's no rush in getting any of these trades. Look how big these wicks are. So we're good. We're good. Look at how big these wicks are. So let's have a look. Yeah, like 6 pip wicks, so yeah, we chill. No point rushing in it. But for me, that was a trade idea that I just said for people. So it'll be up about 4 pips right now. Stop loss here. When you fill up this wick, so at this time now, if you were in this trade right here, which it said here, stop loss or break even at this point. And hopefully you should continue down at this point. So as I said, this is it. This is the entry. The entry was on the flip of the candle. You're leaving this zone. Stop loss above here. Targeting these lows. And at this point here, stop loss or break even. Because you're coming down to another support here. Can you see this little mini 5-minute support right here? There's no point holding your trade on. If you're expecting price to break this low over here, it's going to break it. If it comes back up and hits your break even, that's fine. But if it comes back up there, it's really, really holding the support. So this is why, when you stop loss matters, as my name says. And also, break even, getting into break even trades also does matter. So this will be a trade that I'll be at break even at this point, because we've tapped this support. So let me just do this before people, there we go. And with the London volume and with bearish pressure right now, we should start exceeding and flipping these wicks over here. And it shouldn't be hitting our break even. But if it does, that's cracking. Because I want this candle here, this 5-minute, to not exceed here and to flip. Because we're at this 5-minute support. So even though there is like 5 minutes of supports and stuff, you can always have your stop loss or break even and just expect price to push through it. You get a break-even trade, tough shit. It's fine. So try not to think about not entering because of the resistance. Just put your stop loss or break even a lot quicker. Like, look, I mean, like 4 pips profit. So, yeah.
Yeah, I move mine at about 5 pips profit every single time.
Yeah. And you can always re-enter if it looks better again. But yeah. So here, guys, now coming down. This is a beautiful trade idea I gave you guys. I said for this flip. I didn't say wait for the hourly. That's just one of my rules most of the time. So trade's called gold. Not gold. GJ sells. We're about 8 pips at this time. Let's see if you get the 10 pips bomb. Coming down over here, we're looking good. Look at this 30-minute candle. We're pushing solidly. And this is what I said. If you close back in the range, and we do flip this candle, exceed the low of the previous, we are going down. And that's what we've done. And there we go. There we go, guys. Look at that. And now we're filling up this range, and we should be flipping the daily time frame very, very soon. So there you go.
It's cold. Trade's cold.
There you go. Very, very easy trade there. So waiting for this, you know, the support that we held. Yes, I said before, this 5-minute had support right here. But if we do start breaking here, we're going to be falling down. So just have your stop loss to break even at this point. And there you go. Wow, look at this. Fuck. So nice. 12 pip move. So I'm going to write this here. Oh, it's still going. 13 pips. This is going to run down all the way. Watch this. So very, very easy. YouTube idea: how you mark your zones. Yes, that's actually the one I was filming yesterday. So already here. Marking your zones really isn't hard though. I think what people got confused with me is that I didn't explain that I'm looking at the bodies of the candles. I'm not looking at the wicks. So you can see here like bodies. I'm looking at the bodies of the candles. Not the wicks. But yeah, I mean, amazing trade here that we did. I'm gonna put this on Instagram because it's pretty nice. Just called out a lovely GJ sell at this point. Exceeding these lows, you've got a nice 8-9 pip stop, and if we close them back in this range, we are filling this range back up. Look at the 30-minute time frame, very clean. We flip in this candle, and lovely 12 pips, 13 pips, amazing. So really, really good for people that's taken that. I hope people did actually take that and listen to me because very, very solid trade. So I'll give it a nice little cheer. Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that again. I'll also give a W in the chat for people. I hope you guys took that trade. Really, really solid. So next time when I say that, you know, always listen to me. I want you guys to listen very, very carefully when I say this is a really good entry. Got my magic keys now, going to set up later. Oh, well done, lovely, lovely. What model do you think is best for our style of trading in fun and talent? I think all of them. I think all of the funding talent. I think all of the fun and talent ones are fine for this strategy. I use the flex. I'm going to be doing the challenge. I think for an YouTube video, which will be very, very fun. Close full position. Cheers, everyone. Oh wow, amazing! Did you catch that? Amazing. Congrats. End of the month looks like next month we may be looking for sells. Ooh. Yes, very, very potentially. Taking any trades yet? I just called out a GJ trade. How do you know if a pair is a good trade with clean traffic? Because the candles to the left are clean wicks. Like, you know, very clean. So can you see here? I say this is clean traffic because look, the candles are printing bullish. So what I mean by bullish is all of the candles are exceeding the highs of the previous, and they're also exceeding the lows. They're exceeding the high of the lows. So, you know, that's the setup I'm looking for buyers. Clean candles, therefore, price moves very, very quickly in these zones, and as you can see, it's moving very, very quickly. But yeah, that's the comment of the day. I like Tian saying GJ sells may struggle at 50-minute support at 400, which is here. But I said, you know, make sure you put your stop loss to break even and you're good. Tuteasus, I think that's how you say it. Thank you for subscribing. 53 views in the chat. So you can see we're coming down here now. Amazing, breaking these lows. And where are we going to head? Well, we're going to come and head back to next support, which is about here. So 151,250. Got some little supports here as well, but with volume should be coming down to these zones, which is a bit annoying. I don't want it to come in this stupid range, man. Bit annoying.
Yeah, facts. Because I hope it pushes straight through during New York.
So let's have a look. It's 4 hour nice rejecting daily. Nice. When you move stop loss to break even, do you move it to the entry point or move it to cover commission? I move it to cover commission. So it's about 1 pip there to cover commission. Yeah. There's no point having it like on your actual break even because you lose commission every time. What's the fucking point in that? So yeah, make sure you put it with commission. I think, can you set your magic keys like that? Because my magic keys does set it just at the break even.
Yeah.
I have to move it, which is a bit annoying.
Nah, you can set it up like a 1 pip in profit, like 0.5 pips in profit.
Shit, okay, I might do that. Let's have a look at the pairs. Is GU fell? Yeah, so look at that. Bit choppy though. Oh, that's rough. That I don't even want to look at that chart. Fuck. People who trade GU, nasty. Very, very clean. Breaking the lows over here. Nice. So I would have ended that, but it was too close to the hourly candle, and I like waiting for the hourly if we're close to it, really. Unless it's a very, very big confirmation. And gold's just vibing. Gold's just vibing.
It's chilling.
It's just chilling.
Probably gonna move there in New York.
Yeah. Oh, why is my fucking camera froze again? Fuck off.
I feel like it happens at the same time.
Isn't it? It just happens every so often. There we go. I just refresh it. This trade was taken the last 7-8 minutes of the hourly candle. Wasn't it a bit risky? Yeah, that's why I didn't take it. But I said for people who didn't really care about that, that's completely fine. And I said it's a good trade. I just like the hourly to, you know, close and then make the top wick and then start falling. Just go to settings and modify it under auto break even set to a certain amount. Yeah, I'll do that. Nice. Wow, 55 views consistently, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you really learned from that. You know, waiting for candles to close, waiting for exceeding the lows over here. We made a little 5-minute, but if we did exceed these lows again, we're really rejecting this zone. The reason why I really like this trade is because, you know, we were in this zone. We're coming towards the edge of the zone, and then when we start breaking for the second time, so this one candle broke, closed back in it, but you know, the second time it's starting to leave it again with the volume. We are going to be pushing at least 5 pips to break even, and then, you know, continuing the downtrend, which is amazing. Took 10 pips, amazing, well done, well done. So you guys listened, see, amazing. So a lot of people took that trade over there. Put that in the what's it called? In the Discord. Sell on stream for people. 13 pips. Buys never made support, and 4 hour was rejecting nicely. Amazing. Server level ups. What's my rank on this now? What's everyone's ranks on here? I want it to be a competitive. What's my... Jeez, I'm level 8. None of my level, boy. But yeah, if you guys haven't followed the Discord, make sure to just jump in the Discord. It gives you notifications when I post on YouTube and all that. For some reason, fucking Carlbot keeps on putting in the chat that I'm live streaming every single night at 9:30. I'm like, bro, I'm not streaming.
Yeah, I get the notification every night.
Yeah, like, bro, like, what the fuck is happening here? Oh, she got a closure back in here now. We should start falling. Wait for this top wick up, hopefully, and maybe you could get a sell opportunity again. The hourly's just closed, so yeah, wait for a bit of a top wick up and then maybe exceed and flipping again, and that could be a nice trade entry as well, to be honest. To continue down. Look at the hourly, yeah, nice. But entering here would be a bit risky. You need to wait for this top wick to enter up if you haven't already entered in this trade. Like here, wait for a bit of a top wick, more like here, and then we should be filling up this zone over here. Amazing. The image close back in the range, should continue back down. Yes, exactly. Should continue back down to these zones over here for sure. And that, yes, that 4 hour really holding that resistance over there. Wow. So guys, in 58 minutes time, when this candle closes, this 4 hour candle, you'll get a more of an indication if you're heading up. If you still for some reason in the next hour flip back up and close above here, then we're going to be looking for buys in NY. But if we do start closing back in here, unfortunately we're going to be in this range. And sells for me, oh, it's just choppy, bro. Fuck, this is ass.
Yes, it's complete ass.
Yeah, I wouldn't really touch GJ cells today, to be honest with you.
Unless we break all the way below.
Yeah.
This level.
Yeah, exactly. Oh shit, sorry bud. Wait, which was it?
Oh, and I said this level right here.
Yeah. Yeah, like 15102. Yeah. It's a long way away. For sure. So 12 minutes left for this candle. Hopefully you can make a bit more of a top wick for that. There we go. Here we go. Nice. Ooh, look at these 5 minutes. It's got 30 minutes left though, just making a top wick at this point. Oh shit, volume's coming in. Yeah, looking for sells past 180 below age range though. Still seems very choppy sells from bank holiday. Yeah, it will be quite hard. I'm trying to look for continued sells on here because now I've actually closed in the range. We should start flipping and exceeding these lows and all that stuff. I want this top wick though because this will be my stop loss. Oh, this is looking good now for sells again. But yeah, really solid breakdown on GJ there. Didn't take too long to break that down. It was pretty simple. Just wait for the closure back in the zone, and then we should be flicking it back up. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, so we should continue back down here. It's gonna take its time though, but we'll see if it does have more volume to push it down. Let's have a look at gold over here. Oh, advert bro, get off. Hell no. GU still falling. EJ still coming up at this point. Goal, like that's just rangy ass, bro. Fuck. Yeah, I really want this candle to flip again. It's got 25 minutes left of it. It's got 10 minutes left for this 15. This 15 should start continuing. Really, to be honest. Continuing down. Ooh. Ah. Right. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Ooh, this could be nice, you know, for an extra sell opportunity at this point. I may go for it. Let's just get rid of it. Wait a bit more. Wait a bit longer. Because yeah, I just think we're closing this range here. Really, really solid candles. We should still continue back down over here. But yeah, a lot of volume for Asian. But yeah, London been chilling. But it's good to be back from after the bank holiday though. But yeah, so remember when the next bank holiday comes, just run, man. Don't trade that shit. That shit's ass.
USD bank holiday next Monday.
Wait, which one?
USD.
Oh shit.
So,
USD bank holiday. There we go.
I'm trying to trade gold.
Yeah, don't trade gold on that day, I'm telling you. It'll be a boring ass day.
Facts.
Look at this 5 minute. Exceed these lows, boy. Oh. Yeah, I'm trying to really enter this trade. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to wait for this 5 minute to start pushing, because this will flip the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and we're gonna continue down at this point. Stop loss is gonna be 4 pips. Hey, that wouldn't be too bad at all. Can you explain your trade and why you took it again, since it like it isn't range 2 breakout? I didn't take this trade at the top, but it was a kind of an impulsive exceeding the low of the previous 15, which also flipped the 30 minutes to close back into the range. And with the volume, I could see we were rejecting these highs. And basically, I saw this little support right here. Can you see here? But at this time there, I put my stop loss to break even because I knew it could react on that support, and then we just kept on falling down. And yeah. And now this 15 minute still running up. Max, what is the PC setup for the stream? Any recommendations? Yes, I have a AMD no, I have a Ryzen 3600X. It's like it's the new one. No, not 3600, 5600. I have a RTX 3060 Ti, so pretty nice one. And that's basically it. Just 16 gigs of RAM. That's all it is, really, and it works perfectly. So yeah. Ooh, we're flipping it again. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. This 5 minute needs to give me some more confirmation to push down, man.
Yo, Max. So,
yeah.
With the daily time frame still being bullish, if you don't mind going on the 30 minute real quick, and I'll annotate. So would you be open to these buys? Right here. Say candle closes above like this. Something like that.
Yeah, I could probably look for that. Yeah.
These buys going up like this.
Yeah, for sure. If we do get the closure above, yeah, that's what I'll be looking for.
Because I'm looking at it because potentially, especially with the daily time frame still being bullish, we may get the bull run. So
yeah, very, very true. Very, very true.
At 4:30.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Not gonna lie, I'm looking for these sells though. This 5 minute needs to. It's playing though.
Yeah, if these sells happen, then that won't happen. But just in case we continue to push up and it continues to break its highs.
Yeah. Very, very true. So we've got 5 minutes left of this candle. Yeah, this candle, it's got 20 minutes left for the 30. It's not too bad. Look at this hourly though. Oh. It's delicious. Another 5 minute close. Bearish again. No, not bearish, bullish. I just like how that hourly's closed back in that range, man.
That's clean. Remember last week, Same.
Same thing.
Same
Yeah.
kind of thing we're talking about. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Exact same setup, really. Right. So yeah, guys, if you've got any questions and that, please make sure to ask them all these questions. All welcome. All the questions you got, man. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, it's gonna close in 4 minutes time. 4 minutes time. Yeah, you can see it is struggling to push down. It's like printing these little 5-minute candles. If you get a closure back up here, to start filling it up back up. 48 minutes left for this 4-hour candle though, so if you're patient with that, that'll give you more of a confirmation if we're heading down or not, or up, or whatever. Oh, who subscribed to the channel? Abdul Khan, thank you for subscribing to the channel. We are growing very, very quickly at the moment, which is amazing. Oh, EJ is going to break its highs over here. It's got a little resistance at this point, but it's going to be breaking these highs. And if you look left, where are we going to head? Let's have a look over here. To these highs over here, so I'm looking for these wicks. Yeah, it's about 8 pips away. No, 8, yeah, 8-9 pips away. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. GU still coming down. GJ still coming down. And gold is just not playing. Ooh, it's 15 minutes. It's going to close in 2 minutes time. Two minutes time we are going to close. Do, 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 do. Oh, look at this 15, bro. It's a shame there's no more in the candle, because I probably would enter if this flips. But oh, it's flipping. Oh, it's stuttering. It's 30 minutes gonna be. Got 60 minutes left. This 30-minute candle. I'll wait until this 15 closes. See where it closes here. It's got a minute 40 left. It's really, really. Look at this 5-minute now. It's kind of just. It doesn't know where it wants to go. What pairs do you trade the most? GJ and gold, but mainly GJ. There's no point having so many pairs. Try and keep with 1 to 2 and then just master them. You can't really trade when you have 8 pairs on. Like just chill with it. You don't need to do 15 million pairs. You don't need to do that many. Wow, look at these 5-minute candles, man. Mad. So 40 seconds time. This is closing. This is closing. Wow, we've averaged so many views today. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to run these likes up. Our highest like so far is like 62. Let's try and get it to 62, 63. Try and beat it. Try and beat it. This 30 minutes still got 50 minutes left. Not too bothered about that closure. Are you in this GJ or just paper? This one was for the stream. If people wanted to get in, I didn't get into this one unfortunately because the hourly was about to close, and I don't like getting into trades like 10-15 minutes before. But a lot of people took it, so. But yeah, it was paper trade for me. So 15 minutes has closed right now. Bullish. Bullish.
Yo. I just realized the people couldn't hear me because I was connected to my mic wasn't on.
Yeah, I thought it sounded different, bro.
Yeah, I just realized I could hear myself on my mic, but it's not on. I'm like, oh shit.
So 50-minute salary play here, but there's no top wick on the 50 minutes, so for me there's no trade. Yeah, no trade at this point. We'll have to wait a bit more. .30 minutes starting to turn bearish again. Got 40 minutes left. The hourly starting to flip as well. But it's very, very choppy in the 5-minute here. It doesn't really know where it wants to go. So for me, it's not giving me much confirmation at the moment. Oh, so look at that. EJ couldn't close above. Couldn't close above. Therefore, there was no buys, no valid buys. We didn't get the closure we wanted at that point. And GU just run down quite nicely there. GU just run nicely. So for later on, gold, yeah, we need to wait for this. These 4-hour candles are going to give a good indication of where we're heading. So really need to be patient for that. So if this candle exceeds the high of the previous 15-minute, could be making some support over here. Some support, and that'll be interesting for later on for sure. So the reason why we don't trade between 9:30 and 11:30 is because, you know, volume kind of slows down. Not much volume in the markets, and, you know, normally tends to range. So, and that's just from back testing, just looking at past days and past weeks and past months. Where does the volume come in, etc., etc. So now we have made the top wick over here. If you start exceeding these lows, we'll have to see. Want this to flip for sure. And the 4-hour, oof. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, really holding this zone right here. Quite surprised. Normally GJ after a flip normally flies down nicely, so the price here is quite hard. So when you start seeing price kind of doing this, I'm not really happy with it. I like it when the 50-minute here it flips once and then starts running, and you can see here very choppy. So don't waste your time. If you start seeing stuff like that and you know you haven't entered yet, just try and just leave it alone.
Yeah, because volume is dying down a little bit.
Yeah, like volume's starting to die down. Look at these 5-minute candles. Yeah. Yeah, really holding that level. I'm surprised. 151.37. I'm seeing on MetaTrader. It's just holding it like ridiculously. Like, oh my god. Oh, this is why. It's fucking news coming out in 11 minutes time. That's why it's been a bit choppy. Forgot about that. Yeah, so news coming out in 10 minutes time. So we will not know until the news comes out. But I'm gonna wrap the stream up here, guys. We did an amazing stream. We basically did a lot of charts today. We actually broke down a lot of charts. We looked for GJ sells. A lot of people caught themselves when we break the low of the previous 50 minutes right here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the stream. Before you leave, guys, make sure to give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow morning. But yeah, if you guys aren't in the Discord yet, this Discord, make sure to join it. I'll be talking in it in the NY sessions today, a lot more. So yeah, make sure to do that, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So peace out, guys. Make sure to like the stream.
Peace out, chat.
See you later, squad.
Great stream today.
Yeah, it's amazing. See you later, guys.
Yeah, see you, bro.
See you later.